you. We are New Wave Holdings, and we are going to be one of the first investment vehicles in the esports space to go public in the North American markets. This gives investors an avenue to invest and capitalize on the esports space that is massively growing, and capitalize on our expertise of picking the right investments. We have the right individuals around us that combine capital markets experience as well as esports experience. My partners out of LA have a combined approximately 30 years of esports experience with some of the biggest players in the industry. From the capital markets standpoint, we have players that have taken companies public, run investment companies, and been on the investment banking side of the business. So we really know what it takes to make this work. So definitely my two business partners, Tolga and Dan in LA. Although every aspect of the New Wave story is very important on the management side, these two individuals in LA with the esports experience that they bring really make our story special. I think the growth is, we're seeing it. The investment banks, the institutions are just starting to get involved. You take tonight for an example, at the Bell TIFF Lightbox was full and oversubscribed. Only 350 seats, and I believe there was 500 that wanted to come. It shows the hype that is there. You want to be early, you don't want to be late. If you said that now is the time to invest in cannabis, sure, there's still money to be made, but the real money has already been made. The multiples have already been there, so this is the time to get involved in esports and esports investment before the massive growth happens. Well, New Wave is planning on being public late this summer of 2019, so that is definitely something that they can look forward to, following us to that path, and then perhaps watching the stock or deciding if they would like to own a piece of New Wave late summer of 2019.